CCR TV, channel of God's love. सगळ्यांक आमचो नमस्कार आणि माई मोगाचो येवकार. गोंयच्या फुटबॉलाचे वस्ताद आयच्या ह्या एपिसोडान तुमचे बेटेक हाडटा नामनेचो गोंयचो फुटबॉल खेळगडी and one of India's best midfielder of yesteryears, Lawrence Gomes. 16 वर्सां तो साबार फुटबॉल क्लबांक खेळ्ळा, जशे परी वास्कोचे मांगोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, मुणवेल स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, मुर्मुगांव स्पोर्ट्स काउन्सिल आणि शेवटाक फांकिवंत सालगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. फुटबॉल मैदानार एक कोलेवंत मिडफिल्डर म्हूण फुटबॉल मोगयांची तांणी खूब शाबासकी जोडल्या. As a midfielder, Lawrence had the sharp skill and ability to change the entire complexion of the game with his sheer speed and defense splitting through passes to his teammates in the danger zone, and which often resulted in a goal. Lawrence Gomes has represented Goa at the Nationals for Santosh Trophy, and he has also represented the country at the international level, being the captain of the Young India team at the Asian Youth Championship held at Nepal in the year 1981, besides many others. Lawrence is the recipient of the prestigious Bahadur Jivbadada Kerkar Goa State Award in the year 1988 for his excellence in football. Mr. Lawrence, welcome to the studios of the CCR TV.
Thanks, Daniel, for calling me.
खरेंच आमकां तुका आमच्या स्टुडियोन पळोवन खूब खुशालकाय भोगली, कारण तुजें फुटबॉल मैदानाचें जायतेंच मोठें योगदान आसा. गोंयच्या फुटबॉलान, भारताच्या फुटबॉलान देखून तुजी वळख लागशिल्ल्यान सगळ्या तुज्या फॅन्सांक करूंक दिता. लॉरन्स बाब, आमचो मुर्मुगांव तालुका आनी वास्को शार म्हणल्यार एक फुटबॉलाचें पायणें, आनी ह्याच वास्को शारान तूं ल्हान व्हड जालोय जाल्यार तुजेर ह्या शाराचो फुटबॉलाचेर कसो प्रभाव पडलो, इन्फ्लुयन्स कशें जालें फुटबॉलाचें?
धन्यल बाब, सांगचें म्हटल्यार हे आमच्या मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यांत वास्को शारांत खोडेगांत 3 क्लब आसले पयल्यास्तान. पयलो म्हटल्यार वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, दुसरो सालगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आनी तिसरो MPT. हे चड फामाद क्लब, आनी हांव ल्हानपणीसान तांकां पळोवन वयर सरलां.
आय सी. सो हे मेन 3 क्लब तुज्या सामके मनान आसले भुरगेपणासान. जाल्यार तुजी फुटबॉल खेळपाची सुरवात खंय जाली? तुज्या शेजाऱ्याक गांवांतल्या फुटबॉल स्टेडियमाचेर, खूंय चड करून धाकटे भुरगे शेतांनी खेळटात?
सांगतलो म्हटल्यार मुणवेल एक वाडो आसा वास्को शारांत,
मुणवेल,
आनी आमच्या फाटल्यान एक शेत आसलें. आतां तें कदंबा बस डिपो जाला.
वय वय.
आमी ल्हानपणीच्यान थंयसर खेळटालेच, आनी हांव जायते फावटी भुरग्यां वांगडा खेळोन वयर सरलां. जेन्ना परी 4.6 इंचीस ओ 4.9 इंचीस टुर्नामेंट ट्विंकलिंग स्टार्स म्हणून एक क्लब आसलो, आनी त्या भुरग्यांक एनकरेज करताले. सो हांव थंयसर खेळोन वयर सरलो कसो.
आनी म्हाका दिसता तेन्ना ती क्रायटेरिया आसली हायट वायज घेवपाची न्ही. सो दॅट 4.2 4.5
4.6 स्टार्ट केल्ली, मागीर आमी वाडटात म्हणून तेणी 4.9 केली.
हायट वाडयली.
म्हाका दिसता आमकांच लागून.
एज फॅक्टर नासलो?
एज फॅक्टर ना, ओन्ली हायट
आसली. सो कितले आतां मुदार जाला न्ही फुटबॉलान? एक्चुअली
ग्रासरूट लेवल आयल्यार
ग्रासरूट लेवल सगळे मुदार जाला. एज वायज कांय नासलें, हायट वायज. जाल्यार तशें जाल्यार लॉरन्स बाब, तुजी पयलीच सुरवात खेळपाक खंयच्या क्लबाक जाली वास्को शारांत?
हांव ल्हानपणीसून खेळत आयलो तेन्ना म्हाका मांगोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान पयलो आपल्या क्लबाक सायन करूंक म्हणून आपयलो. हांव तेन्ना चड यंग आसलो, कारण GFA फॉर्माचेर तुजी पेरंटाची सायन जाय आसली. इफ यू आर अ मायनर कन्सेंटिंग. सो दॅट वॉज द टर्निंग पॉयंट. आय स्टार्टेड माय कॅरियर विथ मांगोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब.
यू सेड यू वर यंग, म्हणटूच कितलो यंग? 14 वर्सां?
अराउंड 16 आय थिंक सो.
15-16 वर्सां. आनी त्या फॉर्माचेर तुज्या पेरंटान सायन मारलेली मांगोर
म्हज्या बापायन.
आय सी. म्हणटूच मांगोर क्लब तुजो पयलो क्लब जालो. उपरांत फुडें कितें जालें? हाऊ वॉज द प्रोग्रेशन?
उपरांत हांव म्हज्या वाड्यांतल्या मुणवेल स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक 2 वर्सां केलो अदीक करून. बट इंटर विलेज भरपूर आमी ट्रॉफी जिखल्यात, फायनल जिखतालेच. मुणवेल स्पोर्ट्स क्लब म्हणल्यार दुसरे क्लब भिताले आमकां, आनी आमकां 2 जाण पाकले घेवताले तेन्ना, बेंटो आनी रिचर्ड म्हणून.
आतां मुणवेल क्लबाक खेळटाना एनी पर्टिक्युलर पोझिशन यू आर प्लेइंग, ऑर जे तुका तुजे एल्डर्स सांगता ते, कोच सांगता ते?
नो, बेजिकली सावन पयलो स्टार्टींग म्हाका हाफूच खेळयताले ते. रायट हाफ, लेफ्ट हाफ.
सुरवातीक
सुरवातेक
हाफाक
हांव
सुरवात
midfielder
खेळपाक
असो, हय.
जाली. ओके ओके
Basically.
मागीर मुंडवेला खेळोन कशें कितें जालें?
मागीर मुंडवेला खेळोन हांव म्हाका 1 वर्स एमपीटी स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक खेळलो. थंय म्हाका म्हज्या बापायन नोकरेक लायिल्लो पयलो. आनी एमपीटीन म्हाका पळयलो हांव मुंडवेला खेळटा तेणी रोखडोच म्हाका सायन केलो 1 वर्स
आय सी. हां हां.
एमपीटी.
पूण मुंडवेला खेळतना तुका एमपीटीन पयलो
पयलो
आनी इमिजिएटली
इमिजिएटली सायन केलो म्हाका. आनी फर्स्ट म्हणटा ते इंटरपोर्टाक जेन्ना हांव जॉयन जाला त्या वर्साक एमपीटी स्पोर्ट्स क्लब जोैतीवंत जाल्यात ऑल इंडिया मेजर पोर्ट्स
आय सी.
टुटिकोरीन.
Can you recall which year it was, more or
I
less?
think 80.
In 80s?
80s or
Surely
81,
in
I
80s.
think, I don't know. Maybe 80 or 81 something.
Okay,
80 or
okay.
81, I think so.
So you have
80.
played for the major ports football
Yeah,
tournament, representing
All India major
MPSC.
ports.
I see. म्हणटच आतां कितलीं वर्सां मागीर तूं एमपीटी खेळलोय?
म्हाका दिसता हांव एकूच वर्स कारण
एकूच
दुसऱ्या
वर्स?
वर्सांतल्यान हांव सालगोंगा स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक जॉयन जालो. कारण म्हाका खूब हें लागता जेन्ना टी शानमुगम हो कोच आसलो तो म्हज्या लागीं घरा लागीं हांव म्हज्या बापायक सांगपाक लागलो म्हाका चड खोशी तुज्या चेड्याक आपल्या क्लबाक व्हरपाक म्हणून.
आय सी. ओके. म्हणटच एमपीटीन तुका जॉब आसलो. You were part of the first 11 in the team,
Yeah,
and yet you left MPT
Yeah.
and joined Salgonga Sports Club.
सांगतलो म्हणल्यार म्हाका वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो चड मोग आसलो ल्हानपणीच्यान. कारण म्हजो बापूय वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो एक सपोर्टर असो. आनी ल्हानपणीचो हांव ताज्या वांगडा फुटबॉल मॅची चोवपाक वयतालो टिला ग्रावंडार. जेन्ना वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लब प्रॅक्टीस करता ती हांव सदांच पळोवपाक वयतालो फ्री आहा तेन्ना.
I see. आनी तुका लागींच
लागींच आसलें.
लागींच शेजाऱ्याकूच
बट सांगतलो म्हणल्यार सालगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान म्हाका बेटर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली. कारण शामुगा म्हाका खूब लायक करतालो आनी तो एवरी मॅचीक येवन म्हाका मोटिवेट करतालो. लॉरेन्स तूं आमच्या क्लबाक जॉयन जा, आमच्या क्लबाक जॉयन जा म्हणून.
ओके.
एंड आय सेड येस आय वील जॉयन सालगांवकर फ्रॉम दॅट डे ऑनवर्ड्स.
तुवें म्हणलें शानमुगाम तुजो फुटबॉल खेळ पळयतालो, ऑब्जर्व करतालो, तुजे घरा आयलो तुका सांगपाक, तुज्या बापायक सांगपाक, तुज्या पुताक आपल्या क्लबाक खेळोंक दी म्हणून. जाल्यार कॅन वी से दॅट शानमुगाम वॉज द कोच हू हॅज आयडेंटिफायड युअर पोटेन्शियल इन फुटबॉल एंड देर आफ्टर गायडेड यू इन युअर करियर?
Yes, of course. He was my everything, you can say, the mentor, or I respect him a lot.
Was he a fatherly figure to you on
Yes,
the
of
field?
course I can say, because he was a strict disciplinarian.
I see.
Yeah. I still recollect जेन्ना आमची प्रॅक्टीस आसताली 7:30 जाल्यार हांव 7:00 वतालो ग्रावंडार.
ओके. आनी तुमी प्रॅक्टीस खंय करताले?
तिलाक मैदानार चडशे पयले अर्लियर
हय.
तिलाक मैदानार. मागीर तिलाक मैदान रेनोवेट जालें तेन्ना मागीर आमी एमपीटी ग्रावंडार जावं मारगांव अशें वचूंक लागले.
I see. But reporting had to be on time.
टायम ही वॉज अ स्ट्रिक्ट.
कितलीं वर्सां तूं शानमुगामाचे अंडर एज अ कोच खेळलोय सालगांवकाराक आनी देर आफ्टर ऑल्सो हाऊ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ इयर्स?
Nearly 8 to 9 years I played under him.
I see.
I think
Under
so.
Shanmugam.
When he was the coach, I was there with him. When he left, then some other coaches came, like in
Yeah.
between Hakim. But he was there for more, like, you know.
Were you a pet of Shanmugam?
Not a pet, coachaचे केन्ना न्हू favorite player आसताय. जावं Brahmanan in the goal, like Derek Pereira, stopper, half Lawrence Gomes, and forward Bruno आणि आमचे Roy.
Right. So you were one among them?
Yeah,
On
like it is
Shanmugam's
like a
favorite
someone's
list.
favorite list, yeah.
Okay.
I agree.
So जें कितें तुवें फुटबॉलान अचीव केलें न्ही तुज्या पीक टायमार आनी देर आफ्टर had a lot of bearing on Shanmugam's coaching? अशें म्हणूंक सोदताय?
Of course. I learned everything from him, and you had a game plan, like
Okay.
before the match he will tell you, Lawrence, you have to do this, do that, blah blah, whatever
Okay,
it is. For all the
exactly.
players,
In their respective roles? Okay. So you had to follow that?
follow him. Yeah, he used to tell us what the opponents, how they are like, and
Yeah.
what you have to,
what to expect from them?
Yeah, how do you have to perform on the field on the day of the match.
Okay.
If you don't play well on the day of the match, it's nothing.
Then
I
you're
can
gone.
say,
It's
yeah.
nothing. जाल्यार म्हाका एक सांग, what was the biggest challenge you faced as a player when you played for Salgaonkar Sports Club? Because Salgaonkar was at a peak, whether at state level, at the outstation tournaments.
Daniel, to tell you the truth, when I joined Salgaonkar, there were a lot of good players, like Arnold Rodriguez, to name a few, like Jose de Souza, Mauricio was there,
Yes.
Lecter was there,
Yeah.
and I recently joined them, and it was very hard to get a place in the first 11.
I see. Okay.
First year, I can tell you that, because these were the experienced center midfielders, backbone of the team.
Right. And in that you had to make yourself shine, outshine and find a place in the first
place in
11.
the team, yeah.
Zalar, tuka udas jata during your playing career with Salgonkars. Like how many major tournaments that your team has won, and which was the most dear tournament to you?
Like the first Federation Cup we won in Delhi.
Yes.
That was a proud moment, like for everybody. Like
Okay.
we were losing in the semis and finals also. Previous year we lost in the finals.
Yes.
Then we won many tournaments, like Bandurkar Gold Trophy we won. Then lot of tournaments we won. But that was
The Federation Cup was
first Federation Cup was my
most memorable.
Yeah.
Huh? Can you recall any moment of that Federation final?
that when the Mario Suarez scored a goal. Everybody was. I still remember that incident in
Okay.
Delhi. That I forgot the name of the ground in
Okay.
Delhi.
Yeah. And that was the happiest moment.
Yeah, of course.
जाल्यार केन्ना तरी तुज्या प्लेइंग करियरान लॉरन्स बाब एनी टायम अ क्रुशियल स्पॉट किक जी तुका घेवपाक दिल्या तुज्या कोचान आनी यू मिस्ड आउट ऑन दॅट ओ यू शॉट इट आउट हय केन्ना कितें जालां?
Earlier I had scored a lot of penalty kicks or even dead ball situation I have scored. But for the Sundar Trophy in Kerala, I remembered against Kerala, we got a penalty and I was told to take, like as the captain. I missed that. The goalkeeper saved.
Okay.
I still recollect that.
And you were a captain of the team.
Captain of the national team.
Okay.
And we lost to them, and then we bowed out of the tournament.
And that penalty kick that you missed made a big difference.
Big
between
difference.
victory and
Yeah. We could have won that match, and we lost ultimately.
But
at
तुका
the end
कितें
of-
भोगलें?
But
How you felt?
after that, I could not play the match. It was going in my mind. I don't know what to tell you. My feeling that I missed.
As
And
a
we lo-
player,
as
you
a
were
player.
feeling down
That's really that day I cannot forget.
when the match ended. How did
Yeah.
Your
I went to
teammates
the
say?
dressing room. My teammate, they were there with me. They said it happens. But
It happens.
as a captain, I had the feeling, that because of me, we lost that match.
Responsibility level
Yeah,
was high,
High.
and you felt that you let the team down.
At that time,
Something like that.
Something like that. It happened to me.
So till today, you remember this incident.
After that, I had scored, or even goalkeeper said, but no regrets. But that was the turning point, my penalty kick.
I see. लॉरन्स तुवें पयलां आसतलें आमच्या गोंयच्या फुटबॉल मापार डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, सालगोंकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लब तेन्ना इतले टॉप क्लब आसलेत आनी डेम्पो आनी सालगोंकर मदीं सदांच ती इंटर क्लब रायवलरी आसताली. एंड वेन यू प्लेड एट द तिलक मैदान against Dempo, how was it like?
No, against Vasco. You
Sorry,
mean to say.
against Vasco.
Vasco and Salgonkar.
Vasco and Salgonkar.
हांव म्हज्या भुरगेपणांतल्यान पळयलें हांवें जेन्ना सालगोंकर आनी वास्को खेळ्ळ्यात तेन्ना सपोज सालगोंकर जिखले, वास्को हारले जाल्यार रेफ्रीक मार पडटालो. हांवें दोनदां पळयलां हें.
Okay.
After the match, the Vasco supporters used to thrash the referee.
I see. If
I
Vasco
have
lost,
seen it twice, not
it
one match.
happened.
It happened. You can ask anybody from earlier times.
Okay.
This story. But when I joined Salgonkars, we have beaten them. We have never lost to them.
Okay.
But it was, in the 80s. But before that, in 70s, Vasco-Salgonkar rivalry was there. After that, we used to beat them every time. And people now, they used to understand that Salgonkar is a better team.
Okay.
So there
Mindset मागीर change
there
जालें.
was no fights.
Okay.
That was a
पूण आदी जातालेंच.
आदी हांवें पळयलां म्हज्या दोळ्यांनी, कित्याक हांव भुरगो तेन्ना म्हज्या बापाच्या बरोबर वयतालो तेन्ना वास्को सालगोंकार म्हणल्यार पुलीस देखून आसताले मॅचीक, बट सालगोंकार जिखले जाल्यार रेफ्रीक मारूच. दोनदां पळयलां हांवें.
I see.
यू कॅन आस्क रेफ्रीचें नांव सांगतलो म्हणल्यार बेर्नार्दीन वेलाक विचार.
Okay. जाल्यार अशें घडटालें फुटबॉल
पयलें.
पूण आतां मागीर देर आफ्टर इट चेंज.
देन इट चेंज. पीपल अंडरस्टूड लायक वॉट इज फुटबॉल आनी खंयचो बरो टीम खंयची अशें कोण जिखता.
जाल्यार म्हाका एक सांग लॉरन्स बाब, फुटबॉलाच्या मैदानार गोंयचे स्टेट टिमींक तूं कितले फावट खेळ्ळाय?
म्हाका दिसता
Represented at the Santosh Trophy.
8-9 फावटी हांव संतोश ट्रॉफीक खेळ्ळां, पूण एकूयदां आमी जिखोंक ना
तूं खेळ्ळो पळय तेन्ना.
तेन्ना.
ओके. ड्युरींग योर टेन्युअर
My bad.
तुका नशीब ना
Nashib
जालें.
now, I'll tell you much for
Although
like we
Goa
lost
has
in
won the trophy.
semis many times, but I could not
Can you share some experience playing for the Goa national team?
I can say like see क्लबाक खेळता ते सेपरेट आणि स्टेटीक खेळता तेवूय सेपरेट कित्याक स्टेटीक तुका दुसरे प्लेयर असतात दुसऱ्या क्लबाचे वेरएज तुज्या क्लबाक तूं जाणा तुजे कोण प्लेयर असतात ते
होय
सो यू हॅव टू एडजस्ट देअर वेन यू प्ले फॉर द स्टेट टीम देर ऑल्सो यू हॅव टू गिव युअर बेस्ट
correct.
लाईक दॅट
But then you are playing with other players brought from the other
अदर टीम्स लाईक
teams and clubs. म्हणटच ते तुमचे मागीर coordination
जावपाक जाय
understanding
अंडरस्टँडिंग इज
on the field, off the field also.
ऑफ द फील्ड ऑल्सो
Sometimes off the field rivalries
Yeah.
are coming on the field also, isn't it?
yeah sure 100%.
So this how you all were doing this balancing act?
See,
Was the coach giving you one pep talk?
any coach like, but for instance Mr. Tishan going to tell us
Hmm.
before the match, don't talk to the players of the other team, don't
I
talk to
see.
them.
I
Really,
see.
he used to tell us. You
I
can ask
see.
my colleagues also.
Okay.
After the match only we used to talk with them. On the field we were like rivals, kicking each other, banging here, there, like that. Sarke robust army. But outside the field we were friends. I'll tell you, my friend like Mauricio, like, or even Xavier Medera when he played for MRF, like we were like rivals on the field.
तुम्ही आताच म्हणले वी वर रोबस्ट म्हणून फ्रॉम माय मेमरी ऑफ यू एज अ मिडफिल्डर लॉरेन्स यू हॅड अ व्हेरी क्लीन गेम यू वर व्हेरी स्विफ्ट फुटेड आणि ते तुझे तुवें फिटनेस सदांच आप दवरलेलें हाऊ वे यू अचिविंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स यू नो यू वर स्विफ्ट फुटेड यू हॅड अ स्पीड यू हॅड गुड बॉल कंट्रोल you knew when to pass the ball through, when to cross it.
That
So
is
that,
all,
you know,
that is all I learned from Mr. Shanmugam. I'll tell you the truth. He
it
used
was
to-
you know, real something great thing to see you on the field with the ball, you know. Suddenly you run down the flanks, give a cross suddenly, and then the striker would do the finishing
everybody
of
has got own style,
Style,
like
style.
that was my style means I used to feel like that when you get the ball, like you have to see what you have to do with the ball,
it. Okay.
whether to pass, whether to shoot,
Your
or,
mind and your foot has to work
to
in
get-
coordination. Huh?
correct
Each other.
each other. You have to be prepared when you receive the ball. Suppose from Daniel only, I should know where to pass the ball or kick the ball or it's like that.
I think that time there was no much exposure to YouTube and things like that. Was there? No.
Nothing,
Not
nothing.
much of television
Nothing.
also. Maybe later stages.
Later stages.
पूण तुमचो कोच तुका कितें तरी हे व्हिडिओज बी दाखयतालो of other
Earlier we were
international
not
footballers.
shown, but only after another 10 years, 8 to 9 years जावन मागीर आयला.
आयला.
But before that nothing was there.
So,
एक ब्लॅकबोर्ड आसतालो आनी टीम टॉक आसतालें सकाळचें आमचें केन्नाय 10 केन्नाय 11 बिफोर द लंच.
yeah.
सो कोच आमकां बेसिकली तो बोर्डार आमकां
Team talkaचे.
दाखयतालो ते मॅग्नेटीक बॉल अशें.
Yes.
So this is our team and this is the opponent team. How you have to mark him,
Positioning.
positioning like.
Yeah.
That was the only we had, that
So
time.
that has all changed now.
That is all changed. Now
Everything
there are
is-
no blackboards. I think now it is
blackboards,
everything
yeah.
is computerized.
लॉरेन्स इंडियन टीमीक तूं जायते फावटी खेळ्ळोय पूण कितले फावट तुवें इंडियन टीमीक रिप्रेझेंट
See,
केलें
Daniel बाब इंडियन टीमीक जेन्ना हांव खेळटालो तेन्ना भरपूर कॉम्पिटिशन आशिल्लें. भरपूर बरे प्लेयर लायक
Especially from-
स्पेशली फ्रॉम कलकत्ता.
कलकत्ता बेंगॉल ओके
दे वर द हें सारकें म्हणजे आनी आमचे आसलेले बाबा सांगतालो म्हणल्यार आर्नल्ड आसलेलो जावं मॉरीस लेक्टर हांव अशें गोंयचे. बट आमकां एकल्याक न्हू दोग जाणांक चान्स पडटालो पूण कलकत्ताचे चड चान्स पडटाले.
आय सी
And sometimes I can say they were better like.
जेन्ना तुवें इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम न्ही एशियन युथ चॅम्पियनशिपीक पार्ट घेतलो तेन्ना तूं कॅप्टन आसलो एम आय रायट
Yeah.
ते टीमीन आनीक तुज्या वांगडा आमचे आनीक गोंयचे प्लेयर आसलेत
बेसिकली जेन्ना कॅम्प स्टार्ट जाले तेन्ना नियरली आमचे गोंयचे 16 पूण प्लेयर आशिल्ले कॅम्पाक. बट फायनल टीमीक हांव सार्थो बॅप्टिस्ट म्हणटा तो
सार्थो
एकलो
बॅप्टिस्ट,
आनी एंटनी डिसुजा फ्रॉम सेजा.
ओके
आमी तिगूय जाण आशिल्ले.
आनी ऑल ऑफ यू वे प्लेइंग द फर्स्ट 11
ऑल 3 ऑफ अस मोस्ट
I
प्रॉब्ली.
see. So at least
At
three
least
players
3
were there
players were out
in
of
the Asian
nearly
youth.
more
Yeah.
than 250 I think there were for the junior.
How did you feel like to be a captain of the Indian Asian Youth Championship team?
To tell
was
you,
a-
like I was motivated by Mr. Shanmugam only.
I see.
Before going for the camp, I met him personally. He told me, Lawrence, don't worry.
Huh.
He gave me some.
Don't fear.
Yeah,
Since
don't
you
fear,
are
yeah.
chosen the captain of the team.
No, before that, like
Before
when
that,
I went.
okay.
Only on the last
Surprise.
day of the tournament, they tell you this is the team and this is the captain.
I see.
Only.
पण तेन्ना पासून तुका तुझ्या कोचाचो हे आसलो गायडन्स
guidance
आसलो
आसलें.
सपोर्ट
Really.
आसलो आनी एनकरेजमेंट
एनकरेजमेंट आसला तेणें सांगलें म्हाका
I see.
कशें तूं तुजी ट्रेनींग करपाक जाय ओ कितें टिप्स ही गेव मी रियली आय एप्रिशिएट दॅट
So you were comfortable.
comfortable, yeah,
Oh,
but
you had
you
some
know,
anxiety.
we were
See, I
there
am
for
the captain of the team. I
No,
have
no,
to
no,
perform.
no, before
something
that
like
it was
No, thereafter I'm saying.
कॅम्प आमचें बरें गेलें एक म्हयनो माय सगळें बेजार जातालें जेवणाक बी लागून बट आय कोप्ड अप विथ दॅट आय मॅनेज
Managed.
बट जेन्ना टीम अनावन्स करता तेन्ना आय वॉज रियली इट वॉज अ प्राऊड मोमेंट फॉर मी माय डॅड ऑल्सो एंड फॉर ऑल गोवन्स लायक
Yes,
बिकॉज
yes.
आय वॉज द फर्स्ट गोवन टू कॅप्टन ज्युनियर इंडिया लायक
Junior India team. तेन्ना yes. ते तुवें ज्युनियर इंडिया टिमीक खेळटाना कितले गोल हे मारले?
म्हाका दिसता एकूच गोल मारलेलो खंयची टीम आतां म्हाका उगडास येयना पूण काठमांडूच एकूच तो जाल्यार ड्रॉ जाली आमी मॅच ती एंड देन आमी लास्ट मॅच पिड्यार भायर पडले
I see.
वी did not qualify in the semis like
But that
but
experience
experience
was
was
great.
really it gave me immense experience like
फाटीं तुवें सांगलें तें तो सोडलें फेडरेशन कपाची खबर. Which other is the happiest moment in your footballing career?
like it basically आमची केन्ना टेम्पो सालोंकार मॅच आसताली केन्ना आमी जिखले जाल्यार बरें दिसतालें उमेद कशी न्हू बट ट्रॉफी वायज तुका सांगलां हांवें फेडरेशन कप देन बांदोडकार गोल्ड ट्रॉफी आमी राजेंद्र प्रसाद स्टेडियमाचेर जिखले तेन्ना या मडगांव
You were part of the
आय
team.
वॉज इन द
Okay. So तेन्नाचे फुटबॉल न्ही लॉरन्स जेन्ना तूं खेळटालोय आनी आतांचो फुटबॉल आनी फॅन्स स्पेशली कितें डिफरन्स आसा अंतर कितें दिसता तुका? हाऊ वॉज द fan support then and fan support now for these present teams that we have?
See, the time has changed. Basically, the time has changed. And आतां सगळें कंप्युटरायज जाला. सगळी टिमीक आतां बरे कोची आसा आनी बरे गायडन्स दिता तांकां. आमच्या टायमार कांय नाशिल्लें. आनी सांगतलो म्हटल्यार everything is in a platter for them. They
Now,
just have to, everything is in a platter for them. For us, we had to struggle.
I see.
Now they have to just grab it and prove it like,
In your case, it was hard work, you meant to say.
And one more thing I'll tell you, Daniel. Santosh Trophy final हांव केन्नाच जिखोंक ना as a player.
As a player.
But as a manager, yes.
I
In
see.
2010, we went to Chennai and Mariano Diaz was the coach and I was the team manager.
Okay.
That was a proud moment
So
for me.
something
to
that
be,
you didn't achieve as a player,
I
you achieved as a
team
manager.
yeah.
Part of the team.
Part of the team. That was my greatest moment. You were asking, I recollected
Part
now.
of the glory.
Part of the glory, you can say.
ओके ओके तुवें आतांच म्हणलें आदीं कितें आसलें तें आतां ना जाल्यार जेन्ना तुमी क्लब टुर्नामेंटाक आउट ऑफ स्टेशन वयताले तेन्ना ट्रॅव्हलिंग कशें करताले बाय ट्रेन
basically by-
स्पेशल बस ओ बाय
No,
एअर
not bus. बसीर आमी तिकेटी बूक करताले केन्ना नाजाल्यार ट्रेन.
एंटायर टीम
एंटायर टीम. सो ट्रेनीन तुका आमी सेकंड क्लास वताले चडशे तुका 20 बस मेवनासलेले डेनियल. वी यूज टू गेट 16 एट द मॅक्सिमम लायक सो वी यूज टू एडजस्ट 1 2 3 1 2 3 केन्ना आमी सकयल
हय
बेडशीट घालून न्हिदल्या.
सो दॅट वॉज द टायप ऑफ लायफ यू
Life,
हॅड
yeah. And
एज अ फुटबॉलर ट्रॅव्हलिंग आउट ऑफ द
traveling
स्टेट
out. And especially when you lose in a tournament like semi-final or quarter-final, you don't know how to book your tickets.
Correct,
but suddenly we have to come back and whatever bus
Is
were
available, yeah.
we used to grab them and we used to adjust, lying on the floor, whatever it is, because we have to reach home now.
It was a tough life no,
Yeah,
to
tough
travel
life.
at least.
Now
that
at
time.
least there is luxury
Magir,
for
what
the-
about the comfort in the
Hotels,
hotel?
we used to
boarding?
share a room.
Share a room.
Yeah, double room. We used to share 3 of us because there has to be cost saving, for the club also, whatever it is.
Yes, yes.
That is
Secondly,
okay. I don't-
as you said, the travel was like this. Sometimes there wouldn't be confirmed
tickets
berths for
for
you
bus
in the
for you.
ticket or bus. And itli ason, once you reach the destination, maybe short rest period and then perform again.
Perform again because tired astale, but we used to
तुमचे
recover.
बरी तुमचे टिमी बरोबर फिजिओथेरपिस्ट बी आसतालो
पयलीं आसनासलें दानियल बाब मागीर येयलें त्या आफ्टर अबाउट 5-6 years जावन येस फिजिओथेरपी वतालेच एक
केन्ना तरी तुका कसली इंजरी जाल्या फुटबॉलाची सिवियर वीच हॅड टू गिव इमिजिएट अटेंशन ऑन द फील्ड ऑफ द फील्ड
once I had to limp out of the because I was tackled by somebody and I received an ankle injury. And
while
I was
playing.
told to operate, even, but then Shamugam came with me. He went and we went and spoke to the doctor. He said, if you take rest, it's okay. Like then I had to do a lot of therapy for my ankle, But it was end of the season.
You know, Lawrence,
Yeah.
presently there are a few aspects of football is supposed to do, like their physical fitness, stamina building, diet. As a footballer then, at a top level football in the state as well as the country, how were you managing these aspects of fitness and in diet?
See, diet wise, coach तुका सांगतालो. He should give you tips like don't
Yeah.
eat heavy food on the day of the match,
I
especially
see.
before the
I
match.
see. I see.
Afternoon you have to take a light lunch, like you know.
Okay, okay.
Evening heavy, it's like that. So if you eat a heavy, like no, pot heavy जाता मागीर गेमीक बी खेळपाक
And
तुका.
performance level
Performance
देंवता.
देंवता. तुका धांवपाक दिसना.
Okay.
म्हणजे तूं जोड जाता हांगा न्हू. So light lunch.
Hmm.
So, and आतांचे modern day tell you the diet, you know, for the week also they tell you everything.
Supposing you had a very crucial match coming up tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
and today you have done your morning practice, mage rest, afternoon full rest. What time was the lights off in the?
See, basically coaches they tell you by 9 to 9:30 go to sleep, put off the lights. Even if you don't get sleep, you have to put off the light. Now there are gadgets, you know, mobile, whatever it is. Earlier
Then
there was no mobile
during
for
your
us.
time, no
nothing,
mobiles.
nothing, no TVs also sometimes in the rooms. It's like that.
So there was no other distraction.
No other distraction for you. Really, I'll tell
Mobile
you.
to naslots.
That is why we were playing. I think like.
I'm coming to that. Nowadays, whether it is the junior level team or senior level team, you think this social media, mobile is a distraction for a player's performance?
No,
Hoy
I
tuka
don't
dista?
think in that way. It is a motivation for them, but you have to take it in a step by step, you know. You should not get distracted. It is up to the player, you know, how you have to cope up with these later gadgets. Because
So-
they tell you everything, what you have to do, blah, blah, blah. Then coaches also, they give you a fixed
List of disciplinary guidelines. ते असतात तितले असो नाही.
टायमार कांय नासलें.
Lawrence Bob, आता coming back to your career, football career, when actually, when did you hang your boots?
In
Football boots.
1995, I still remember that.
Which was your last major game you played? Do you recall that?
No, I don't recall.
You can't recall.
I recall that, yeah.
But in 1995,
1995, yeah, sure. Because see, I felt like, you know, sitting on the bench is depriving somebody, you know, in the team. And I said, it's okay. And I knew that I was also a little bit slow, like,
Okay.
so I said, it's my time to hang the boots.
Why didn't you take up football coaching as a career?
Daniel, to tell you the truth, no, I had dedicated my life of football, like, you know, all these years, like
Yeah.
almost 10 to
Okay.
or 14 years. Then I had my family, my children were young, and my wife was also working, you know, and I said, let me take care of my 3 children.
Mhm.
And in fact, I had done the C license,
Yeah.
AFCC license, but then basically it changed my mind, you know, afterwards.
You didn't want to continue
Not
in the
I
football
didn't want
field
to,
as a
but
coach?
I just kept away from. But I used to go for the matches, but I just kept away from coaching, you know.
Okay. Means maybe
I
you
should have
didn't have a
continued.
liking for coaching?
No. It was not like that. But there were some better coaches also, you know, that time. So it is not that I was not getting a chance, but I said, let me take a break.
Lawrence, since you didn't take up coaching officially, did you at any time think about guiding young footballers that time
Yeah.
in the 90s, early 2000 and
Yeah,
all?
of course.
Say
I was
in
there.
Vasco or
Yeah,
around.
I was there in Vasco. Then later on, I joined GFA, you know, Goa Football Association as a member, and then I used to conduct a lot of coaching activities
Camps.
for the camps
Camps.
for the children in Murmugaon zone, you know, at Tila ground.
Okay.
At least 3-4 years I have conducted. I had those some, you know, but most of the children, they were grassroots, you know, they came up. Like we used to bring coaches like international players just to guide them at Tilak Maidan. I remember.
And
that
you were
still.
part of
Yeah,
that.
I was in charge, like, you know.
Now, if you look back and if you look now at the present situation, especially in Vasco, are we developing or creating good footballers?
See,
Earlier, Vasco had a lot of
I think
prominent footballers.
actually I should not comment on this because there are no proper grounds for the Vasco people, you know. Tila ground is there, but it has been taken by like FC Goa, whatever it is. So where the children are going to play, empty is in a bad state. Buttiabad is also in a bad state. I have seen that.
Yes,
But
yes,
now the
yeah.
children, where
No
do you
maintenance
want,
and no proper lawns, nothing, yeah.
So now where are the good ground for the children, to come up?
So this is perhaps one of the
The reason is
Vasco is not
depriving
producing good footballers. Huh?
That is what I feel. Because there are a lot of good players there are a lot of good children who wants to come up, but there are no grounds.
Okay.
Where they will practice? You tell me. Even Chikali Airport Airport Road, that ground they used to give earlier. Now there is some maintenance. Only Chikali Sports Youth, I think that ground is there. Sports club, sorry, Panchayat ground.
लॉरेन्स एक म्हाका उगडास आयलो उलयता तुज्या फुटबॉल करियरान केन्ना तरी हो एक इन्सिडेंट जाला विथ द फॅन्स दॅट दे कम एंड आफ्टर द विक्ट्री दे कम टू द ड्रेसिंग रूम surround you in the dressing room or something like that.
I had that feeling at Rajendra Prasad Stadium, there were no proper dressing rooms.
Okay.
So when we won the Bandodkar Gold Trophy, they just came and hugged us because I scored 2 goals against Mahindra. We won 4-0.
I see.
In the finals.
So the reaction from the fans was...
It was fantastic.
Bitor down aile.
Yeah, Bitor, and then in dressing room also they were not allowing us to change also, they were so that
कित्याक
feeling,
गोंयकारांक बांदोडकर गोल्ड ट्रॉफी म्हणल्यार was something very dear, prestigious and सामकी dear to the heart.
That was, I had seen that moment, really सारके तुका कशें सोडना चेंज करपाक मेळना आसलें till they left, then we had to change because there were no dressing rooms.
So this was the experience.
Yeah.
आणि असले केन्ना तुका मुंबई शारान बी खेळटाना जाला रोवर्स कपाक बी गोंयकार थंयसरूय गोंयकार जायते येतात
सालगोंकाराचे एज वेल एज झेम्पोचे सपोर्टर आसताले आसताले मॅचीक कुपरेज स्टेडियमाचेर
ते तुमकां केन्नाय तुमच्या हॉटेलान बी रावपाक येता ते येवन तुमकां
मेवताले म्हणजे तुजे नियर अँड डियर वन्स समटायम्स डाय हार्ट सपोर्टर यूज्ड टू कम अँड मीट यू ग्रीट यू देयर बट व्हेन यू कम टू प्ले एट कुपरेज गँगूच आसताले बसून गोंयकार फ्लॅग बी घेवन सालगांवकाराचे जावं देंपोचे अशे I had seen that.
So they were dedicated supporters for all the teams.
Both the teams, go to see Dempo as well as Salgaonkar.
Lawrence, तू आता सध्या कितें करताय?
Basically, I'm in UK. I'm working there, and I'm working at the Heathrow Terminal 2 at my United Lounge. It is called. I'm working at the lounge. And to tell you, I've got a team, of my lounge only.
I see.
I formed a team and we practice during summer only. June, July, August we play. After that, it's very difficult to play and to bring them together because normally we work in shifts.
Yeah.
So when your group is working and I'm off, only I can play. And so I have to bring your players also in my team,
So you all have opportunity to play.
Opportunity to play, yeah.
And conduct any small tournaments.
No, not like with other launch. Suppose we are in United launch, we play with Singapore launch, sometimes Qatar launch.
Okay.
There are different launches, and they have got their teams. I only motivated
and they will
them,
be all nationals of different countries, or
Yeah, mix
a mix.
Even there are Italians, whatever it is.
For this team of your launch, are you the coach?
Yeah, they call me coach only. In UK, nobody calls me by name Lawrence. In the coach, they call me normally because I'm the.
तू खेळताय अजूनही?
I'm best उभं राहतो. Yeah, but some of them are youngsters, some of them are
middle age.
So we play like that. Sometimes not throughout the year. Only June, July, August we play like.
So you are not totally cut off from football.
Totally not cut off.
Even while in UK now.
In summer there are a lot of tournaments. Daniel, 7-a-side.
I see.
Yeah, lot of tournaments are there.
And तुका time मेवता devote करपाक?
मेवता, पण I don't go to play. Why? Daniel, my age doesn't allow me to run. What the youngsters are doing, so I just
be on the sidelines.
And I guide them.
Okay.
They tell me, coach, you are here. No. I said, see. ते फास्ट आहे भुरगीं आतांचे. It's up to them, no? So it's like that. But lot of tournaments are there, 7-a-side.
आतां गोंयचें फुटबॉल चित्र मातशें चेंज जाता. भुरगे धाकटे आसतनाच आवय बापूय तांकां फुटबॉलाच्या मैदानार वता खेळपाक. And the coaches, professional coaches, हें सिच्युएशन आदीं नासलें. What have you got to say on this?
See, the time has changed, Daniel. पयलें नासलें तें आमचें नशीब. पण आतांच्या भुरग्यांचें नशीब म्हणजे तांकां सगळें सांग एवरीथींग इज ऑन अ प्लेटर यू कॅन से लायक हो क्लब तुका घेयना दुसरो क्लब आसा
Hmm.
नाजाल्यार तिसरो आसा सपोज म्हणजे ज्युनियरांनी सांगता तुका 8 to 9
Yeah,
years
yeah,
सपोज
yeah, yes.
ओनली थिंग यू हॅव टू मोटिवेट देम अँड गाईड देम लायक वेर टू गो लायक इट्स अप टू द चायल्ड ऑल्सो अँड द पेरंट्स सो यू हॅव टू मोटिवेट देम टू मी आय फील लायक बाबा चल देंपो मेवना सालगांवकार मेवना अशें you should not feel
Now that you are in UK, maybe you have lost touch with the grassroots level football in Goa. Have you heard that the Goa Football Association and the football administration at All India football level is encouraging something called Baby League? You have heard about
I
it?
had heard about it, but not
In
much.
various
Not
age
much,
groups.
yeah.
I think beginning from 4,
beginning
5
from,
onwards.
grassroots like.
Grassroots like.
I have heard that, but no, not much.
But you think it is a good move?
It's a good move for the children. It's a good move, but I don't know how far it will go. You know,
Yeah.
like I know Savio Medera very well. I think if he is implementing it, I know him very well.
Because in Vasco itself, there are a couple of soccer academies which are training these youngsters in various age groups, you know.
yeah.
And the best part is, भुरगेच न्ही पूण तांचे आवय बापूय
Parents also get involved.
are on the field,
Yeah,
involved in the
involved,
game,
yeah.
involved in their coaching.
This is
See how the things are changing.
Yeah.
आदल्या जेन्ना
काय
तूं
ना,
भुरगो
yeah.
आहलोय तेन्ना हें नासलें जायत न्ही आं तोरी तुमी इतलें केलें फुटबॉला पासत you all went to that level in your individual level performance, club performance आनी state and national level. आनी आतां हे सिट्युएशन सगळें मुदार जाता भुरगेपणीचतान तांकां ट्रेनिंग मेळटा द टायम्स हॅव चेंज
Time has changed.
फ्रॉम युअर एक्सपिरियन्स एंड फ्रॉम युअर एक्सपोजर टू टॉप लेवल फुटबॉल इन द कंट्री लॉरन्स बाब एक बरो खेळगडी जावपी भुरग्याक वॉट इज युअर एडवायस वॉट इज युअर मेसेज लायक
दानियल बाब सांगतलो म्हटल्यार प्लेयराच्याच हातीन आसा तुवें फुली डेडिकेट करपाक जाय प्रॅक्टीस जावं रेस्ट घेवपाक जाय आफ्टर प्रॅक्टीस ऑर आनी देर आर सम different type of vices you can say bad vices. You have to be away from everything.
away from everything
You should be dedicated, like, you know, means you give your best normally. And my wife always says, Queenie, trust in God, leave it to him. You do everything, but leave it to him. Like that.
ओके जें तुवें कितें करपा जाय तें कोर डू युअर एफर्ट्स
Yeah,
वर्क हार्ड
work hard. It is, of course, ultimately you will get the reward.
समज एका भुरग्याक तर बरी फुटबॉल स्कील हा नॅचरल गिफ्टेड आनी जोरी तर ताका डिसिप्लीन ना जाल्यार वॉट कॅन बी द रिजल्ट
हांवें जायते प्लेयर पयले हांव तुका नांव सांगना बट तांच्याच हातीन आसा दे शूड नॉट फील दॅट दे हॅव नॉट बीन सिलेक्टेड ऑर वॉट एवर इट इज दे वील गेट अ चान्स लायक दॅट इवन एट माय टायम नो देर वर लॉट ऑफ गुड प्लेयर्स I could not even get selected for the Indian team sometime because they were good players.
Yeah.
But I never felt bad. I said, yeah, of course, Daniel is better than me. He deserves it.
Yeah, and your time will come.
Your time will come, sure. And my time came also that time.
This was your mindset.
Mindset, I'll tell you. You have to learn from your...
How was the parental support from your home?
Of course, my dad was he was the one who encouraged me playing. He was my everything, you know. He was a die-hard supporter of Vasco first.
You said
but when I started playing for Salgaonkar, he was a die-hard supporter of Salgaonkar. Even when I left, my coach they always used to take him in the bus, for the match from Goa Shipyard. And then they used to drop him also. Really.
Lawrence, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुका जोरी तूं ते पिरायेर भुरगे पिरायेर 10 वर्सां 11 वर्सां 12 वर्सां आसतना फुटबॉलाक तर गोडेक तुजो मोग लागूंक नासलो जाल्यार तुका दिसता खंयच्या स्पोर्ट्साक तुजो उमेद जावपाची
दानियल बाब
केन्ना तरी चिंतलां तुवें
केन्ना चिंतूंक ना हें तूं सांगता तें दानियल बाब स्कुलांत आमी जायते खेळ घेवताले लायक टेबल टेनीस खो खो कबड्डी बट फुटबॉल सारको म्हजो काळजांतल्यान आवडो असो
So that was your first and the last choice.
First and the last choice.
Very nice, Lawrence. Nice having you at the studios today. Thank you very much. तुका चड देव बरें करूं.
I appreciate Daniel and thanks a lot for CCR TV for giving me an opportunity to tell you my feelings also.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Daniel.
It was great having you. You have shared so many of your footballing moments. म्हाका दिसता न्ही चोरवो जावन आसलो आमचो लॉरन्स गोम्स. एज आय सेड अर्लियर, वन ऑफ इंडियाज टॉप मोस्ट मिडफिल्ड फुटबॉल प्लेयर. आनी ताणें आपल्यो जायत्यो जिविताच्यो वस्तू आमकां सांगल्यात आनी कशे भाशेन फुटबॉलान ताणें डेडिकेशन केलें, कमिटमेंट केलें आनी तो त्या लेवलाक आयलो. हांव सोदमोतां हो प्रोग्राम जे कोण आमचे भुरगे पळयतात ओदीक करून तांकां फुटबॉलाचो मोग आसा ते ताणें कितें सांगलां तें घोट मनान दवरतलें म्हणून. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कीप वॉचिंग युअर चॅनल CCR TV एंड युअर प्रोग्राम गोंयच्या फुटबॉलाचे वस्ताद.